There is a place so narrow, yet so powerful, that the fate of the entire world quietly passes through it every single day. Welcome to the Strait of Hormuz. Between the rugged, mountainous coastline of Iran and the golden, sunlit shores of Oman lies a thin ribbon of water, only about 33 kilometers wide at its narrowest point. From above, it looks almost insignificant, just a slender gap between landmasses. But this narrow passage carries a responsibility far greater than its size suggests. It is the only maritime gateway connecting the oil-rich Persian Gulf to the vast, open waters of the Arabian Sea. And through this gateway flows the lifeblood of the modern world. Every single day, an endless procession of massive oil tankers moves through these waters, slow, steady, and precise. They carry millions upon millions of barrels of crude oil. Nearly 1/5 of the world's oil supply passes through this single corridor. Think about that for a moment. One narrow passage, fueling cars in New York, powering factories in China, lighting homes in Europe, and sustaining economies across continents. Without it, the rhythm of modern life would begin to falter. But this is not just a story of oil. This is a story of scale. These ships are among the largest moving structures ever created by humans, floating giants stretching hundreds of meters long. As they enter the strait, they don't move freely. They follow invisible highways, strictly designated shipping lanes that are often only a few kilometers wide. Each lane is carefully monitored. Each movement is calculated. Each second matters. From the bridge of a tanker, the view is both breathtaking and intense. To one side, the coastline of Iran rises sharply, rugged and watchful. To the other, the calmer shores of Oman stretch into the horizon. And in between, a constant flow of vessels, all moving in perfect coordination. There is no room for error here. A slight miscalculation, a mechanical failure, sudden weather changes. Any one of these could trigger a chain reaction. A collision in this narrow corridor wouldn't just be a local accident. It could send shockwaves through global trade within hours. But beyond the ships and the numbers, the Strait of Hormuz is also a stage for global power. For decades, this region has stood as one of the most sensitive geopolitical hotspots on Earth. On the northern side, Iran holds a commanding position. Its coastline overlooks the entire passage, giving it significant strategic influence. To the south, United Arab Emirates and Oman act as balancing forces in this delicate equation. And beyond them, the world is watching. Global powers maintain a constant presence here. Advanced naval fleets patrol these waters day and night. Surveillance systems track everything: ships, aircraft, even activity beneath the surface. This is not just a shipping route. It is one of the most closely monitored waterways on the planet. And sometimes, the tension rises. There have been moments when ships were seized. Moments when vessels were damaged or threatened. Moments when a single incident caused oil prices to spike within hours. Each event sends ripples across global markets. Each headline reminds the world just how fragile this balance truly is. Because if this narrow passage were ever blocked, even temporarily, the consequences would be immediate. Oil prices would surge. Stock markets would react. Supply chains would strain under pressure. Countries heavily dependent on energy imports would face serious challenges. And the impact would go far beyond fuel. Transportation costs would rise. Food prices could increase. Industries would struggle to keep up with demand. What happens here doesn't stay here. It echoes across the world. And yet, despite all these risks, the system continues. day and night. Without pause. Tankers glide through the strait in a carefully choreographed flow. It is a silent, ongoing operation that requires extraordinary coordination. Behind every ship is a team. Behind every movement is a decision. Behind every journey is responsibility. Imagine standing on the deck of one of these vessels at sunset. The sky burns orange as the sun dips below the horizon. The sea reflects light like liquid gold. Other ships pass slowly in the distance. Everything feels calm, almost peaceful. But beneath that calm lies immense pressure. For the captain, every decision carries global weight. For the crew, every task must be executed with precision. Because this is not just a journey across water. This is a journey that connects directly to the global system. Yet beyond the geopolitics and global trade, there is another side to this story. A quieter, more human side. Along these coastlines, communities have lived for generations. Long before oil tankers and global markets, these waters were a source of life. Fishermen still head out to sea each day in small boats. They navigate the same waters as massive tankers. They read the tides. They understand the currents. Their lives depend on the stability of this environment. For them, the Strait of Hormuz is not just a global choke point. It is home. It is livelihood. It is tradition. And in that contrast, lies something powerful. A place where ancient ways of life exist alongside one of the most critical trade routes in modern history. This narrow passage is more than geography. It is a connection point. A place where local life meets global dependency. Where tradition meets technology. Where silence carries immense responsibility. It is also a reminder. A reminder of how deeply interconnected our world has become. How a disruption in one small location can affect millions, billions, of lives across continents. From the fuel in vehicles, to the electricity powering cities. So much of modern life depends on what passes through this corridor. And that dependence makes it both powerful and vulnerable. The Strait of Hormuz stands as a symbol of the modern world itself. Efficient, yet fragile. Advanced, yet exposed. Strong, yet dependent on balance. It shows us what humanity can achieve through coordination, engineering, and global cooperation. But it also reminds us how easily that balance can be disturbed. And still, the ships keep moving. Relentless. Precise. Unstoppable. Ports receive their cargo. Industries continue to operate. Cities remain powered. And the world moves forward. Almost unaware of the narrow passage making it all possible. Most people will never see this place. Will never stand on its waters. Will never witness the silent flow of energy that sustains their daily lives. And yet, they are connected to it. Every single day. In the end, the lesson of the Strait of Hormuz is simple, but profound. That even in a world of vast oceans and endless possibilities, it is often the narrowest paths that hold the greatest importance. That small places can shape global realities. That quiet waters can carry immense responsibility. And that the balance of the modern world often depends on places we rarely see and rarely think about. This is the Strait of Hormuz. A narrow passage. Carrying the weight of the world.